Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss about how you can create a professional CV with the help of these online platforms like Canva.com and also with the help of the other platforms like this one, novoresume.com. So if you want to be need a professional online CV and you do not use the you're gonna say that any kind of Word document of words. So there are many online platforms. You can create your own resume or like CV templates for your different kind of work like jobs and other things. As you can see, there are many options you have been selected for creating the resumes and everything about these things. So if I'm gonna be went to the canva.com, I already created my resume into this. If I'm gonna be click this thing, it will be open for a while. Well, just it takes some time. So there are another platform. It's called builder.zeti.com. You can just sign in with this platform and you can create the CV. So there are three best platforms free, like you can see, but in this novoresume.com you need to update your updated this plans. Like it's not gonna be the free one, because if you use this thing you can create the online CV. So let's check out. It's gonna be open up now. You can see this, guys. I already created the CV in canva.com. So with the help of, you can create any CVs and you have many different options. You can select any template like this one, but and don't hit this thing, replace the current page, and you can see this, guys. Got it? You can more increase the resizing the windows of all these kind of things. So it's a good thing while you do not have any Microsoft Word or something like this. You can create the CV with the help of all these platforms like canva.com, cvmaker.com, and like novoresume.com. So this specifically this novoresume.com have different plans. You must pay for a year. So if I'm gonna say the easiest way and free of cost, or just like you can say that, or I'm gonna say that the much better or just like free online platforms for creating a different resume, cover letters, and any other kind of things. These things like cover letters, you can create logos, etc., and many kind of things by using this canva.com. In canva.com you can do anything related to your requirements, what you need exactly. Like these features, if I'm gonna be scroll down these features, you can see there are many different options. But I'm gonna be just created the logos as well as CVs with the help of this canva.com. So if you really like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon and share my video. You will get the latest updates about the latest videos about tech programming. So thank you very much, guys.